Have you ever wondered what document numbers are in Medisoft and how they may or may not help your practice? We're going to have a discussion about that in today's tip of the week.
Did you know that in your Medisoft you have the ability to group things together by what's called a document number? Um, so what this does is allow you to group all the charges and then any payments or adjustments apply specifically to those charges together so that you can view them maybe a little bit more organized in your transaction entry window. Let me show you what I mean here real quick. If I go into transaction entry and I pull up a test patient here, and let me pull up one of his previous um, cases, you can see there's lots of charges, lots of payments and adjustments, and it's really difficult to really kind of organize this and find out what was applied to what and so on. You know, in previous videos, we have covered the F7 Quick Ledger and how that can be a handy tool in helping with a lot of that. So go watch that video if you haven't already. But for purposes of this video, let me take you into, let me show you how to turn the document number or invoice number on. So you're gonna go to File and you're gonna go to Program Options. Click on the Data Entry tab, and then there's a little checkbox here called Force Document Number. Go ahead and select that and hit Save. And now let's go back into the Transaction Entry window, and let's see what this has done. You're gonna notice that it's added a new box here called Document Number. So let me show you how it works. Let's bring up that same patient. Let's bring up the same case. And what this does now is it allows you to select a document number. Okay, so if I select document number, now I can go and pull up any of the previous document numbers and watch this. So rather than displaying all the charges and payments for this case, it allows you now just to select by document number, so on February 19th, 2019, there was a $60 charge. Now you can just see Medisoft is now just grouping it by that document number, so you can only see the payments and adjustments that were applied to this one charge. Okay, so we can click back through and find previous dates of service. It's not a good example here. Let's try this one. Previous dates of service. So here's all the charges on this one document number, and here are all the payments and adjustments applied just to these charges on the document number. So again, just another way to group together by document number, or another way we've heard people say it is by invoice number, so that you can organize and just view charges and payments applied to certain dates of service or charges. Now, the document number, just a little hint here so that it might help you in the future. The document number is by date. So let me explain this. So first two characters are the year, so 2019. Second two characters are the month, 02 for February. Third two numbers is 19 for the day. So year, month, day followed by 4 zeros, and that's how they get the document number. So if you're searching for a certain document number, you can always tell by the date there in the document number, and that should give you a hint of what you want to pull up. So anyway, hope that helps. Hope this helps you organize and work a little bit more efficiently in Medisoft, to those of you who can use this feature, and thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again, and see you on the next one.